Hi, this is Pantam Venkatesh. I completed my given project as gym management of coding round +2. Here we have the details of the project. So the features of this project was supervisor and the workout resume of the supervisors. Supervisor can create, delete, create, read, update, and delete the operations. So here the workout of the members like if BMO was 18.5, this chart is first this chart was shown. If the BMO was 18.5, this chart was shown. So like that, if the BMO, we have the 30 greater than 30 or less than 35, so this chart will shown. Member creations. So we have to give the duration of 1, 3, or 12 months of durations. Um, So supervisor can use the following options like create member, view member, delete member, update member. In update member, we should use have also extend and revoke memberships. Create resume, view resume, delete resume, update resume, and log out. See, this is the user portal, and we have and this was the members portal. Members portal can view my resume and view my profile, update profile, and log out. So here is the demo of my project. I will show. I will run the project with the command lines. So here is the starting page of my profile of the user profiles. Here user can create any options from these 9 options and can use any option 9 options like a create member, view member, delete member, update member. So let's see this how it actually works. So we have select first from create member like the age was 23, gender was male, and the phone number was 12345. Mail ID gmail.com. BMI was 23. Interview duration months, so I will give us 3 months. Let's create another member. Wow, age was 24. Gender was female. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Email ID. And this BMO was 18, value to IT. This one is 6 months. So we created the two members profiles and let's check the view methods. So we'll go with second options. 1, 2, 3, 4, phone number. So here is the first member of profile name, age, gender, phone number, mail, durations. Go with the third option, delete member. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we deleted the A member profile. Here we delete the member profile. Now we can also update the members profile like the phone number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter the number you want to extend or revoke. Well, I would like to extend number 1. So this is the extend and revoke members. So now create the resume of member. Go with 5. File number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Monday was chest. I will guess chest. Tuesday was biceps. Wednesday was cardio. Thursday break will be a break. And Friday was legs. Saturday triceps, and Sunday also break, 2 breaks in a week. We created a regimen and see the regimens view. Go with option 6. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we show and see the resume of the member. Monday was chest, Tuesday was biceps, as we given same. Wednesday cardio, Thursday break, Friday legs, Saturday biceps, Sunday break. So you can delete a resume also. But we have only one profile, so I'm not deleting right now. Then go with option 9. We had login, log out. We log out from user portal and we enter to members portal. We went to members portal. So we here we can see our profile and my resume. So let's start with one. Enter the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we see the resume daily activity of the members. And let's go with option 2 also. Here we will see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The profile of the member. So this is the demo of the code. Then go with option 3. We'll break the loop. Exit from the page. So I will show you the code of how to create this project. So I taken class method, gym manager. Gym manager, and here I taken resume as an empty dictionary, and customers equal to as an empty dictionary. Define here I defined the initial method like, and this I got given 2 arguments as ID and name. Here self dot ID equal to ID, self dot s name equal to s underscore name, and I also taken as a class method here define to add customers, to add new customers of this uh, project to the team members. So here I also created customer details. So I created the initial method line. Here also I created initial method for name, age, gender, phone number, email, body mass index, and duration. And here I given the self dot name, initial methods, and also taken that set method and get method to access to access the names and genders, and also created the string method to add everything. So this is the main function, main program that you have to see right now. I have taken the data from gym manager and the customer. I created a menu of the user portal, like create member as we shown before. These nine options can taken by the user portal. Here I use the while loop to access the data. If option equal to 1, already I had taken all the data in a string methods, so I given as a string input, name, age, gender, phone number, email, BMI, and I also created BMI index for here only. If the BMI was less than 18, so this will appear. This is the default resume of the member. So we can also update and delete another also member also. Here I taken as a customer equal to customer keys as a name, age, gender, phone number, bill, BMI, durations, and we taken as a gym member dot regimen phone number as a key equal to R. Well, if option 2 equals to this will show the member details. Here I use the get name, get age, get from the customer's data. So we provide you the view of the members, view of the member of the gym persons. So option three will delete a member details. Option here I use the pop method of to delete a member, delete a member of the list, member from the list, and I use the try statement, try and accept. If we don't have any members, then it will become like number doesn't exist. And here option 4, this option 4 will give you the details of update, extend and revoke details. Here with this line of codes, we can update and we can extend on revoke the number of the members. Here option 5 will shows you that with this option 5 we can create a regimen like but Sunday day wise work chart. Option 6 will show the for option 5 here I will use the for loop to access the data from regimen manager.regimen, and I use the condition statements like if I equal to phm, if the input was if the input was given, this will shows equals to input, and this will work as a for loop, and I created a for loop again. Option 6 also will here option 6 was view resume, then go to another. After option 6 we go to another one, another options. Option 7 will resume deleted. Here I also use it, I use a pop method to delete resume members. If option equal to 8, this will update it successfully. These options will provide you the update of the resume. You can change any resume like Monday, any day's resume also. So here we see the code of updating a resume. And if option equal to 9, this will break the loop. Here this will break the loop of the entire options, and then it will enter into the resume portal. Option will then it will enter into the resume portal, the member menu. Here member menu we have seen the three options like my resume, my profile and exit. Here I again use the while loop. While equal to true, if while equals true, option equal to I have taken the initial integer function here. If option equals to 1, then I have printed the resume of the member. This will show you the resume, the day-wise workout of the member. And option equals to 2, and this will shows the profile of the member. Yes. Here I use the get method and get methods to access the data from customer portal, customer methods. If option equal to 3, this will break the entire program. It's print entire valid number. So this is the program of gym manager, and I hope you like this. Thank you.